Hey, this is Team Captain America. This is our project. Here's our front page with our map. Right here is the button to launch the search for the earthquakes and injection wells. Here's the button to zoom into the boundary area after you've done your earthquake and injection well search. And here you can clear the map of all of the dots. So we'll go ahead and click the button, run the program. Here's all of our saved default values that we ran last time. You get that by clicking this button right here. If you clear the form, then it gets rid of everything, and then if you try and run it, it won't do it because you have to enter a latitude and longitude. All of these other boxes, though, all have default values. So if you go ahead and put in a latitude and longitude, then it'll still run just with the default values that are hidden. And let's say that you try and do something outside of Oklahoma, like 40 and negative 103, and you try to run it, then it's going to let you know that the limits are outside of Oklahoma. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and open it back up to get the default values, and we'll go ahead and run it. And as you can see, it's right over here in the Oklahoma City area. Now all of our data is hidden on other sheets down here, and looks like it's done already. So right up here we have our closest injection well. It's at a distance of 2.22 miles with a latitude and longitude right here, and it's a direction right here from the center with a number of wells of 14. Right here is our closest earthquake data, distance of 1.98 miles, latitude and longitude with the magnitude and the direction, the year that it happened, and the total number of earthquakes in the range. Right down here is our correlation coefficient. It just happens to be 0. The way that we calculated that was with the barrels of salt water injected into the wells versus the number of earthquakes per year. And that's the number of the amount of barrels injected in all prior years to that earthquake happening. So right here, if you exit out of this and you zoom to the area, then it zooms in right there. You can see the box that surrounds the search area with the earthquakes and the ejection wells. The earthquakes, there's multiple ones that you can notice size difference because of the different magnitudes. Now to zoom back out, you hit this button, and to clear the map for your next search, you hit that button. So now we're going to try and change the parameters and get a different correlation. We'll just switch this right here to a 10-mile square boundary, and we'll go ahead and run it again. This one's probably going to take a little longer. Now you can see that our correlation coefficient is 0.01, so it is different. And that about concludes this video.